Imagine this. You are literally just talking to strangers online. No crazy skills, no degree, just conversations.
Yes, in this video, we're going to be showing you 3 hidden websites that you can literally get paid just to chat with people online. Stick around to the end of this video because number 3 is the highest paying one, and literally barely anyone knows it. Barely anyone knows this app. It's actually crazy.
Yes, guys, and in this video, before we reveal these websites, let us make this clear. You don't need to be an expert, you don't need to invest a dime, and you don't need to learn any skill. All you need to have is your good phone, your good laptop, and a good internet connection.
Yes, guys, so before we start this video, who are we? We are Star Queen Sisters. We make money making videos online. We teach you how to do so many things in your finances, in your career. As you saw the thumbnail to this video, you saw over 200,000 naira. Yes, actually converted from dollars into naira, that we earn from just 1 week of chatting in this secret website. Each of them have different earnings and they're so big and so important, guys. So we're going to be breaking down to you step by step. You're going to be following us, so make sure to subscribe.
Yes, guys, and make sure you watch till the end of this video because we have a secret website which we review, which no one has started using this website. Lots of people have not been able to get access to this website. So yes, stick around to the end of this video to get that update.
The first website is called Premium Chat. So you search on your Chromebook www.premiumchat.com. Now, in Premium Chat, you get paid just to text with these people, either male or female, and you get paid for every message you reply. You get paid for the calls you answer. Now, you could see $3.9 for per call that she's getting paid just to chat with them on their free time. And that's what you're doing. That's how we get the money that we showed you on our screen before. That's how we get that money. So make sure you just vibe, be that authentic person. Let your personality come out in the messages and the text that you are chatting. Have a good internet connection, because of if the call breaks and they're like, wow, what happened, they can't get back to you. So press sign up here, this link. You press you press sign up there, right there. You press sign up and it's going to open. So once it opens, you fill in your first name, the name that is on your passport or your identity card, because of you once in the line you get to identify yourself. You have to have a document that shows that you're authentic and you're real. So you put in your name, first name, and your last name.
That is so easy, guys. So let's talk about the second website.
This is the second website. Second website is called Cloud Worker. Cloud Worker is not known to many people, but it's very authentic. Your role as a cloud worker is chat moderator. You're a chat moderator. That's the role they're employing you for. You are responding to their clients, you are just keeping engagement. You are a cloud worker, you are chatting, you are vibe. So the job benefits is how you get paid. Before you get paid, they're looking for long-term employees. If you want to be a chat moderator for a long term, you can definitely work with Cloud Worker, because they don't just want someone that will join them and will stop. So you can see the description of Cloud Worker right here on the site. So you just go up and you press apply, because you have to apply. You have to come correct. You fill in all your details where in the description of the job. Now I'm going down to the description of a chat moderator, as you can see on Cloud Worker. Now we can see that you have to snap a picture with a smiley face that, oh, I'm a cloud worker, introducing yourself, 1-minute video. Now this is how you apply. Now you could see a description of what they expect from you working with Cloud Worker. It's very important that you read through the website. Now you put in your first name, last name, your email address, your phone number, authentic. Like I said, let it match what is in your document, that you can show okay, this is proof of that I am real. This is proof that I'm from this country, because you're going to show that all down the line. So now please tell us something about yourself. So you tell them something authentic about yourself, and that's all. If you're able to do all this little details about yourself and you are authentic as someone, you can definitely work with Cloud Worker for a long term. Now you can see question and answers. Anything you have doubts about, you scroll down to check on it. This is very important, because of we are working with a new company, working with a new website, like you need to know more details about them. That's all for
So guys, like you have seen in the video, you have seen the first website, you have seen the second website. Now we are on to the third website. This is literally the highest paying. So you have to actually take this so serious. All you are doing from the comfort of your home is
you're literally just chatting. Top the website and the highest paying is called Remotely For You. You're a chat operator. Now, as a chat operator, all you have to do is respond to text messages and reply DMs and everything. Keep it entertaining, like I said. So this is your application process, because like I said, make sure it matches the details in your identification card or like documents, so that they can be able to know that you're authentic and you are real. And put in the email that you remember the password of. So you're going to read through your job description as a chat agent with Remotely For You. So you just search on your Chrome www.remotelyforyou and it will come out. Now you can see the salary expectation. You can earn so much from literally like the highest paying. You can literally earn like $300 a week being on Remotely For You, consistent, and you are like, you put yourself together, and they pay weekly. Remotely For You does not pay monthly, they pay you weekly. Like at the end of the week, you can collect your money, you can withdraw your money straight into your bank account. Now we don't work in Remotely For You, they don't work with people below 18. Yes, you cannot work as long as you are above 18. You can work with Remotely For You. They're going to verify your age. So, you must have a good internet connection, you must have good equipment, and you must be able to speak good English, because their customers and their clients are like people who are educated. So you should have inflow of your conversations once you are, if you want to work with Remotely For You. Like I said, it's the highest paying, sharp and quick, and very, very good. Not most people talk about Remotely For You. Like we rarely see them come out and say Remotely For You is paying me to chat. So we are the ones that are giving the inspo. If you stick around to this third website, we have a fourth website for you guys. So make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. We want to hear your feedback. I got in, I didn't get in because of this reason. So we can show you how to actually apply again directly in another video, or how to actually get in. So make sure you subscribe, because we are posting more videos and more details about this. Subscribe. So guys, we have a bonus website for you. That is the last bonus website, and it's called Freelance Mom. So Freelance Mom is the bonus website we have for you. This website, you actually get paid just to write for them. You write articles. These articles must not be written by you. They can literally be written by ChatGPT, and you're just getting paid just to write. So guys, this is the easiest, and it's another beautiful side hustle that we're going to introduce to you. So subscribe so that you can get notification when we post this particular video, because we're doing this video, like you get paid just to write articles, and these articles can be written by AI, and there's a way we can write it that cannot be detected. So it is so easy. There's so many ways to make money online. It's just you, determination. So guys, you make sure you sign up to be one of their writers on Freelance Mom, and you get hired.
That's it for the last bonus website, guys.
Yes guys, and make sure you like and stick around and watch more videos. We have LinkedIn strategy, we have the interview question video. We literally have so much more videos which you can check below. Check our YouTube channel. Yeah,
so make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe. It's so important, guys, so that we can notify you when we post the next video, and when we post other content on how so many other big things are coming up. So
yes, to make money
with
online.
Star Queen Sisters, before 2026, we want you to finance every single thing. We want you to blow up in your finances. We want you to be that person that you were never that person before, but we want you to be that person now. Now that you have come in contact with us, you can achieve the impossible. Everything you have set out to do, you can accomplish it. Like, comment, share, and subscribe.
So with that, we'll see you in the next video.
Bye.